So this morning, dictator Nicolás Maduro and his wife waking up in New York, a New York jail cell after pleading not guilty inside a Manhattan federal courtroom yesterday. His attorney, Barry Pollock, is used to getting creative to defend high-profile clients, including Julian Assange. And he was also one of only 2 lawyers to secure an acquittal in the Enron fraud case. Fox News legal analyst Gregg Jarrett joins us now. Real quickly, Maduro had a tough day in court yesterday. It doesn't seem like he's used to a criminal justice system that treats everybody fairly. He had some outbursts yesterday.
Yeah, I'm president of Venezuela.
Right.
It reminded me of that scene in The Godfather. Don't you know who I am? I'm Mo Green.
That's right.
And, of course, we know how it ended for poor Mo. Look, the arrogance, the sense of entitlement was almost comical in the courtroom yesterday. And the law doesn't care about your lofty title. Maduro hasn't really accepted his new reality, and his dictator tactics don't really work well in American courtrooms, which is why the judge told him to put a sock in it. But, look, he's got a fine lawyer in Barry Pollock. He will challenge Maduro's capture, his arrest, his status. He'll claim a terrible violation of due process and international law, whatever that means. And they'll argue that the U.S. has no jurisdiction to prosecute him. They'll assert, head of state immunity. None of that's probably going to work because, we've seen this movie before, Lawrence. Noriega tried the same thing and failed miserably. And the Supreme Court has said, we don't care who you are or how you got into our courtroom. We treat paupers and potentates alike.
So, Greg, he has a great lawyer. The wife does, too. A ton of experience, especially trial lawyers that have argued in front of the federal courts. And I want to be careful here because in the United States, as you well know, you have a right to legal counsel. But many of us were expecting him to have a public appointed attorney going into the preliminary hearing yesterday. Does it concern you that he was able to pay for high-power attorneys this quickly? Where is the money coming from? Have they not frozen the funds yet?
Well, there's always a debate in a case like this whether the accused can use ill-gotten gains for his own defense. But, I wonder, if his own money is not funding this, who is?
Right.
And I think the media has an obligation to look into that. But I have a sense that Barry Pollock will stick around for this high-profile case. He's represented other high-profile defendants.
Do you think that they take this to trial? And I don't want to get ahead of our skis here, but is it more likely that the legal counsel here is looking for some type of deal with the administration to turn over more cartel leaders and give them locations like that? Yeah. Or are they going to go and claim his innocence all the way through?
Well, I think what you point out, Lawrence, is a real possibility. What does he know? What can he hand over the U.S. that's useful? Let's make a deal. There's an incentive for him to avoid trial because they've got the goods on him. I mean, you read the superseding indictment, it makes out an incredibly powerful case. The document trail alone is enough to convict. Then you've got, co-conspirators, witnesses who've already pled guilty in U.S. courts. And then you've got highly incriminating tape recordings. Understand the Department of Justice spent the better part of a decade meticulously gathering all of this incriminating evidence. And it wasn't that difficult because Maduro was so brazen in his violent schemes trafficking drugs into the U.S. and narco-terrorism.
We're going to be following it. Next court case is scheduled, I think, for a March hearing, so we'll be following it. Greg, thanks so much.
Right.
Hey, everyone. I'm Emily Campagno. Catch me and my co-hosts Harris Faulkner and Kaylee McEnany on Outnumbered every weekday at 12 p.m. Eastern, or set your DVR. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page for daily highlights.